Hello everyone and welcome back to another quick demonstration video. Today I will be painting a beautiful bird using watercolors. Let's begin with the sketch. Here I am using a mechanical pencil with 0.7 lead. If you don't have the same pencil, you can use any HB pencil you have. Now let's begin with the paints. For the warm grey base, I am using a wash of burnt sienna mixed with intense blue. And for the highlights, including the light grey and yellows, I am combining intense blue, burnt sienna, yellow ochre and cadmium red. It is crucial to have a precise and well-defined sketch before we begin painting, as it lays down a strong foundation for the entire piece. A solid sketch ensures that the proportion, details and overall structures are accurate, which in turn helps us to achieve the realism that we want in our painting. I am working on the first layer of paints to establish a solid foundation for the subsequent layers. Now this initial layers sets the base for the colors that we will build up and refine later on in the painting process. For the nose, eyes and head, I am using a specific mix of colors, that is burnt sienna, phthalo blue, also known as intense blue, and yellow ochre. Now this combination helps us to achieve the desired tones and depth for these features. For the dark grey color on the feathers, I have mixed burnt sienna, that is brown, mixed with intense blue. And whereas the amount of intense blue is more, this is the reason the color is looking cool grey. If you want to have a more dark tone, then try to increase the amount of pigments. Now I am working on the feathers, creating layers of paints, adding final details like carefully separating the light and shadow areas. With each layer of paints, I am gradually increasing the pigment concentration and saturation while carefully preserving the base colors that I have already been applied. Now this ensures a smooth transition when I later add darker shades, enhancing the depth and richness of the painting. While painting a subject in watercolor with a focus on realism, it's important to work slow and carefully, paying close attention to every detail. So start by covering as much of the color range as possible in the initial layer, allowing us to later refine and build up darker tones and shadows. The entire painting is built around a few essential colors, including brown, intense blue, cadmium red and yellow ochre. Now these basic hues form the foundation of the piece and brings everything together. All the materials that I've used in this video is mentioned in the video description box. I hope you've enjoyed this painting video. If you have any questions, suggestions for the future paintings, do let me know in the comment section and I see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay blessed.